Hey everyone, I am Alex. Welcome back to the Quality English Tutor podcast, where you learn real English for real life.
I am Sarah. We're happy you're here with us again.
If your daily habits are weak, your English stays weak. If your habits are strong, your English grows strong too. Today, we'll fix your habits, clearly, simply, and for good. Yes, today's topic is super useful, something you do every day. If you can't talk about your daily routine clearly, people won't understand you. Today, we'll fix that, fast and for good.
Exactly. We're going to learn how to talk about habits in English.
Habits. That word again. Habits. Good habits, bad habits, funny habits, strange habits.
So many habits. And today, we'll learn how to talk about them in easy English.
Yes, we speak slowly, use simple words, and repeat important vocabulary so you can follow.
And don't worry if you don't catch everything. Just relax, listen, and enjoy.
Before we start, thank you for listening to our podcast. Really, thank you.
Yes, and if you enjoy learning English with us, please follow the podcast and share it with a friend. All right, let's start today's lesson. Alex, how are you feeling today?
I'm good. I feel relaxed. I had a really nice morning. Sarah, what did you do today?
Well, first, I woke up. Then I drank a big glass of water. I always drink water in the morning. It's my healthy habit.
Ah, a habit. Excellent example. I always drink water in the morning. That's a great habit.
What about you, Alex? How was your morning?
Mine was good, but a little too fast. I woke up late, very late, so I had to hurry.
Oh no, why were you late?
Because I have a bad habit. I sometimes stay awake too late at night.
Ah, that's a common bad habit. Many people do that.
Yes, I know. But today, we're going to talk about good habits and bad habits. And we'll help you learn how to talk about your own habits too.
Yes, we'll learn simple ways to say, I always, I usually, I often, I sometimes, and I never.
Perfect. These are frequency words. They make your sentences clear and natural. Let's say them slowly for our listeners.
Friends, repeat after us.
Always.
Usually.
Often.
Sometimes.
Never. Exactly. These words are very important in real English conversations. By the end of today, you'll talk about your daily routine like a native speaker.
Great job. These words are essential today.
Yes, very important. We'll repeat them often, so don't worry. You'll memorize them.
Okay, are you ready to talk about habits?
I'm ready. Let's begin. Before we discuss your habits, let's clarify a few points. Sarah, what is a habit?
A habit is something you do again and again, every day or every week or many times.
Yes, a habit is something you do regularly. For example, I drink coffee every morning. That is my habit.
And I stretch every morning, just 5 minutes. It helps my body wake up. That is my habit.
Exactly. A habit can be small, but it happens again and again.
Right. And habits can be good or bad.
Good habits help your life. Bad habits make life a little harder.
Yes. For example, Alex has a good habit. He drinks water when he wakes up.
And a bad habit. I sleep too late, much too late.
Yes. Sometimes he messages me at 2 a.m.
Alex, go to sleep. I know. I'm working on it. Repeat after me. I drink coffee in the morning.
I wake up early.
I sleep late.
Great. Very simple sentences. You can talk about your habits in easy English.
Now, let's connect habits with our 5 frequency words. Repeat slowly after us.
I always drink water in the morning.
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
I often read at night.
I sometimes eat breakfast outside.
I never smoke. Very good. Frequency words make your sentences stronger and more natural. Alex, can you explain why frequency words are so important?
Sure. They tell us how often we do something. Without them, your sentences are short and people may not understand exactly what you mean. Let's do a mini conversation.
Hey, Alex, what do you usually do in the morning?
I always drink coffee and I sometimes read the news.
I usually drink water and stretch.
Easy, right? Friends, now your turn. Imagine someone asks, "What do you usually do in the morning?" Say your answer out loud. Good job. Even one sentence is perfect. Small steps make big progress. Now, let's talk about something everyone has: good habits and bad habits.
Yes, everyone has a mix. Today, we'll learn to talk about them in easy English.
I drink water every day.
I exercise regularly.
I read every night.
These are small but powerful habits.
I sleep late.
I check my phone too much.
I eat junk food sometimes.
Yes, we all have these habits. That's okay. It's real life.
I often check my phone.
I sometimes eat junk food.
I always drink water in the morning.
Perfect. These words make your sentences sound confident and natural.
Let's start a mini conversation about good and bad habits. Tell me, Sarah, what is one good habit you have?
I always stretch in the morning and usually take a short walk to fully wake up.
I usually drink water when I wake up.
Nice. Now, one bad habit, Alex.
I sometimes go to bed too late.
Yes, he messages me at 2 a.m. sometimes.
I know, I'm working on it. Your turn, dear listeners. Speak out loud.
Say one good habit and one bad habit. Use this pattern. I always blank because it's good for me. I sometimes blank because it's a bad habit.
Excellent. Honest and clear. Your English is improving. Now let's learn a super useful question. How often?
Yes, this is very common in English. How often do you exercise? How often do you read? How often do you drink coffee?
And the answers use our 5 words: always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Repeat after us, asking questions.
How often do you exercise?
How often do you read?
How often do you sleep late?
Repeat after us, answering questions. I usually exercise 3 times a week.
I often read at night.
I sometimes sleep late.
These are real conversation answers. Let's have a mini conversation using how often.
Sarah, how often do you exercise?
I usually exercise 4 times a week. How often do you drink coffee?
I always drink coffee every day.
How often do you wake up early?
I sometimes wake up early, but not always. Friends, now your turn. Answer these. How often do you wake up early? How often do you check your phone? How often do you exercise?
This style helps you speak like a real English speaker. All right, friends, before we finish, let's talk about something very important: small habits.
Yes, not big, difficult habits. Small habits, easy habits. Habits you can do every day.
In English, we call these micro habits. A micro habit is a very small habit.
It is easy. It doesn't take much time. But if you do it every day, it makes a big difference.
First micro habit: speak English for 2 minutes every day.
Yes, only 2 minutes. Not 10 minutes, not 1 hour. Just 2 minutes.
You can talk to yourself. That's okay. You can say simple sentences like, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at home. I feel happy today.
You can say, I always practice for 2 minutes. Or, I usually speak English in the morning.
2 minutes is easy, and easy habits are the best habits.
Second micro habit. Listen to English every day.
You don't need to understand everything, just listen.
You can listen while walking. You can listen while cooking. You can listen in the morning or at night.
For example, I usually listen to English in the morning. I often listen while walking.
Listening every day helps your brain learn naturally.
Micro habit 3. 1 sentence a day.
Third micro habit. Write 1 sentence every day.
Only 1 sentence. Very easy. You can write, Today I woke up early. Today I practiced English. Today I feel good.
This helps your writing. It also helps your speaking.
1 sentence a day is powerful.
Friends, remember this. Good English comes from good habits.
Not perfect habits, not difficult habits, just small habits every day.
You don't need to be fast. You just need to be consistent.
Little steps every day make your English strong, and you are doing great.
Let's summarize. Morning, afternoon, evening, weekend, good habits, bad habits, frequency words.
Morning. I always wake up at 7 a.m. I usually brush my teeth. I sometimes eat breakfast outside.
Afternoon and evening. I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. I often go for a walk. I sometimes watch TV. I always sleep at 11 p.m.
Weekend. I usually meet friends on Saturday. I always clean my apartment on Sunday. I sometimes play football.
Good habits. I always drink water. I usually read books.
Now, bad habits. I sometimes check my phone too much. I never go to bed early.
I always wake up early.
I usually eat breakfast at home.
I sometimes drink coffee at a cafe.
I never skip brushing my teeth.
Friends, now try your own sentences. Use always, usually, often, sometimes, never.
Little steps every day make your English stronger.
Wow! We covered morning, afternoon, evening, weekend, good habits, bad habits, and frequency words.
And we practiced speaking, repeating, and making sentences.
Learning English is like building a new habit. Do a little every day.
Listen, repeat, speak out loud. You will improve.
Mistakes are normal. They are part of learning.
Celebrate small wins. Keep practicing.
Thank you for listening. We hope you learned a lot and had fun.
Write your good and bad habits in the comments or say them out loud. Practice is key.
See you next time on the Quality English Tutor podcast. If you enjoyed today's lesson, subscribe and share it with a friend. It helps us a lot.
Bye, friends. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye!